Hello everyone, Sam is here from creativetradingsystems.com. This is a small video I'm making for German DAX. So let's get started. So this is the DAX monthly chart. The price was here when I made it last time. It was like a week or 10 days ago. And this candle started when, let me see, this candle started July 1st actually, right? So it's an old, let me see if I have a chart here. DAX, yeah, okay, this is the chart. See, 12 July. So it bounced from here. So that's where I made this chart. And I was like expecting bounce above 24.26. And this is also here 24.33. So it's supposed to be bouncing and going to the upside. So it did very nicely. And you can see here 24.26 line and then bounce. On a bigger chart, you don't see many things here, but in a smaller time frame, my 80-minute chart, I had this German DAX 80-minute chart made and then gave it to my subscribers. And this is what it is. It's a harmonic pattern called Girdley X, A, B, C, D, finishing X. 78% right here, right? This is how it usually goes. And then from there, it goes to the upside. So what happened to this chart so far is this, and we have probably more to come. Right now, the current target is, these areas, couple of numbers here, weekly high. And let's see what happened on this one, right? When the market opens up, it's supposed to go all the way up, but let's see, all right? So this is the DAX, and not only DAX, but anything you can have on MT4, you can trade the system. Let me see if I can show you that how the entries were nice and clean. I don't think I have it here, but you can see that this was a very good entry. This was an entry. This was an entry, and all of these were entry. All right, so this is DAX, and similarly, like yesterday, I made the video about gold, and this was the chart, gold 80-minute. This was the prediction here on the 16th July. I made this chart. This is going to drop and go up, and it also did very nicely, went to the upside. See that, right? So this is that's what I'm saying, that DAX or any chart, any stock, anything that you can have in MT4, commodities and metals and all of that. Similarly here, US this dollar index, this 80-minute chart here, you can see this is nice setup with the harmonic pattern, butterfly. Actually is a crab pattern, right? It's supposed to be finishing here, and then it's supposed to drop. And what happened to this chart is nice and clean. It came down here as of yesterday, Friday. Right. Similarly, if you can see all the trades happen, for example, is GU. The week started on the 25th, right? So GU for 80%, 80 pip, nice and clean buy order here on the left. This is and all the trades that were taken like with my Magic Average system. And you can see that EA downside 60 pip, nice, beautiful short setup here. And this is GU again, buy order here, 105 pip on the 27th. And this is AU 27 long side because USD was getting weaker. I just showed you the chart, right? So Euro USD, Pound USD, Aussie USD, they went up, and then USD CAD, USD Yen, and USD Franc went down. So here, Pound CAD long side here, right? And then here you can see this UJ here, 28th July, right, to the downside, and all of these yen was getting strong, so all of the pairs went down here. And let's see, CJ here for 90 pip to the downside on the 28th. And here's the UJ for 150 pip to the downside on the 28th. And here, AJ for 85 pip on the 29th, Friday, to the downside. So this is how, like I said, that anything you can have in MT4 platform, you can trade with this system. And when you join, you will get all the previous recordings, and you will be able to attend my live webinar where I do teach all of these mumbo jumbos, like I did with money patterns and go over the market. what not what's going to happen or what not, and do the analysis for the next couple of days. Wednesday and Sunday I hold the webinars, live webinars, as well as I have this Telegram channel here where I constantly posting updates and setups, trade setups and charts and all of that. Right. And if you like what you saw, you want to be a part of it, you want to get this system and be a part of my webinars and all that. So you can go on my website here and subscribe. And for example, if you are very new and want to learn all of these, like I did, we have harmonic patterns and all level trend lines, everything, then you can go here on one-on-one course. This is a 10-hour course over the Zoom, where I personally teach every single thing has to do with Forex. Okay, so this is how it is. Like I said, anything you can have on the MT4, you can trade with this system. Here, again, this German DAX, this was the chart, and still it is going to probably keep going here, and probably will continue when the market opens up. And the last but not the least, let me give you the a very good setup. Here is the oil, what I'm looking at, crude oil, US crude oil. And it is a harmonic pattern after it dropped, and now it's going up for a retracement, and it will be finishing it up here. Maybe around 127 or 161. So 127 and 161 after touching this 78, 38, and one of these numbers, then that would be a butterfly pattern. And like I said, that my style is to trade these pairs from point C. You see this? I have it. The trade number 1 is point C. Trade number 2 here, the break of point B. And then trade number 3 is when the pattern is finished, complete, then we go short here. But in the meantime, why should I just waste all these privilege, right? So that's how the system works. So like I said, that if you like what you saw, go on my website and subscribe and be a part of it. Today is Saturday. Get the chart, get the system, prepare the charts, and get ready for trading like this from Monday. All right, so this is it for now. Thanks for watching, and have a wonderful the rest of the weekend.